Guard bees play a crucial role in protecting the hive. They're like the security guards of the colony. Some key characteristics of guard bees include stationed at the hive entrance, vigilant and alert to potential threats, defensive and aggressive when necessary, recognize and respond to pheromones. Guard bees help keep the colony safe from predators, pests, and intruders. Would you like to know more about bee behavior or hive dynamics? Follow Slazita Farms for more tips like this.
The nation, partnership with governments, we didn't make it real. About 80 Nigerians, that's our goal, that's how we feel.